Hey everyone, so this video is kind of just an update video and letting you know kind of what my thoughts are and a little bit about what my ideas are about videos and stuff going forward for my channel. So I made a post on Instagram and here in the community tab about my ideas for videos going forward. So as you know with my channel, it's changed, I guess, a little bit since it first started. I first started doing it a really long time ago. And the types of videos that I'm doing now, yeah, there are still going to be beauty related videos because that's still something that I'm interested in. Probably more like the nail side and perfume side, but in between there could be, you know, different elements of beauty as well. But I'm also interested in more homes type stuff, and ASMR is another thing, or the relaxation type videos is another type of video that I am finding myself more interested in, and I know a lot of you have been requesting it for a really long time. So I do have one of those videos up already. The sound, I wasn't really happy with the way that it ended up, but it's the first time I'd used the microphone, so it was actually really pretty quiet. I have got another video that I filmed and the sound has turned out a little better, but I'll see what happens when it's uploaded. Hopefully that turns out okay, but it's really difficult to get the balance of sound correct because the microphone I use has to go through a laptop, but it also picks up a lot of background noise. So I need to kind of do some noise reduction editing after I filmed. It also doesn't connect to my camera, so it's a separate file from my video file. So there's a little bit of fiddling around and just getting used to that, but once I get that right, fingers crossed they'll start turning out to be better. Also with the setup, it's just working out the best position for the microphone depending on the type of video that I'm doing. For my normal videos though, I probably won't worry about mucking around with it because it's fine. But we'll see, maybe one day it gets easy enough to do. With those types of videos though, they are harder to film the ASMR or the relaxation videos because of noise. So I need to have it to be really quiet because the microphone picks up everything. So it will pick up things outside the house, so crickets, and we've got a dog that is next door to us that barks a lot for no reason. So the room that I'm in the house is probably the closest room to that yard as well. So that's something that I need to keep in mind because when I was editing the most recent video that I filmed, which will be up soon, I had to edit out a lot of small noises in the background just so they didn't distract from the video. So yeah, it makes it a bit more difficult to film. But as far as videos go, what my aim is going to be is trying to have one video a week, and that will be kind of like the benchmark, the standard, what I'll be aiming for. So some weeks that would be a perfume or beauty related video, other times it may be more of the softly spoken or ASMR videos. Occasionally it could be like a, you know, get ready with me or vlog type video or a review, something along those lines. I filmed a clean with me video yesterday. We'll see how that turns out. And yeah, just different types of things, but the aim is that I want to try to release one video a week. Now that the old footage, so my Throwback Thursday videos have finished, they're all out, and it was good. Still, I found it helpful to edit those, and it gave me a little bit more practice to get into editing again. Those are all out there and there's no more of them left, so I'm going to try to stick to the one video a week, so one new video a week from now. Depending on the day, will depend on, you know, when I can get it edited by and what's happening during that week. But generally it'll either be more likely a Tuesday and a Friday, or a Monday or a Thursday, it depends. But at the moment it looks like the days to upload would be, I think, Tuesdays or Fridays. So on one of those days I'll release a video. In this case, this video will come out on the Tuesday, and I'll still aim to have like a proper video of some kind come out on the Friday. This was just sort of like an update, and occasionally I'll do that as well, as I might just come on and do a short video or an extra video if I'm able to do so, and just release that as a second video. So I'm not going to promise 2 videos a week, because it's not something that I think I can necessarily sustain for a long period of time, but 1 video a week is something that I think is possible, and yeah, that's what I'll be trying for. And obviously, like I said, in between there, I'll still be posting on Instagram, using the community tab to make some posts, and you can reach me there or in the comments of any of my videos. I'll read all the comments that I respond to, almost all of them, as many as I possibly can. So if there is anything that you ever want to ask or request, feel free to do that. I don't mind, I like that, it's good. But yeah, other than that, what else? That's pretty much it. That was the big thing that I wanted to let you all know, is that I'll be trying to aim to do the 1 video a week. And if there's any videos in particular that you are wanting to see, or any ideas that you had, please feel free to leave them in the comments, because that's also helpful, because I want to film things that I enjoy, so things like the beauty and the fragrance and the whisper video type things, or softly spoken videos. But I want to make sure that the content is still interesting for you to watch, and still things that you want to keep watching. So if there's any particular content that you want to see, or subjects, so if there's a particular fragrance, if there's a particular type of video or style of video, let me know, because I can look into it, and if it's something that I think I might enjoy, I'll give it a go. I like to receive that kind of feedback, because I think it helps, and it also helps me learn new skills and try different things and see how that goes. There really isn't too much else. That's kind of it. There's nothing too important outside of that to share, but it was mainly just to come on here and say hi and let you know my ideas. There's probably not going to be too much editing with this video. It'll just be kind of like a rambling style, because it's more of a casual update, I guess. But it's getting cooler here in Sydney, finally. I actually like the cooler weather. I like being able to sleep under my blanket and not get too hot in the middle of the night. But then when I get into winter, then I complain about it being too cold, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that is really it. If there's anything else that I think of, sometimes I'll pop onto Instagram and make a story. I haven't played with like, what are they, reels or something, like longer stories? I haven't done that. I don't really know much about it. I don't get into that side of it, but maybe I will, and see how that works. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, if there is anything else that I want to let you all know, I will either put it on the community tab here, or make a Instagram story or post or something along those lines, just to let you know. Or if I am feeling up for it and it's easy enough, I might just pop on, film something and upload it, kind of like this video, very casual, very minimal editing, kind of straight from me to you type video, and kind of like that sometimes. Simple, and it's not complicated, and it just is what it is. So anyway, yeah, like I said before, really find the comments helpful when you provide feedback and suggestions or requests for videos. Like that very much, so if you do have anything to say, please leave that in the comments and let me know. Apart from that, I hope you are all having a wonderful day, evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it may be, wherever you are. And I will see you all later this week in my new video.